Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming JDK 11+, and your build tool. Once done, add a single HTTP library dependency like OK-HTTP or Java HTTP client. Next, create a minimal Java class and import the client. You will construct a request object with method, URL, and headers. Include your API key and authorization or an XAPI key header. Then instantiate the client and prepare to send the request asynchronously or synchronously, depending on your needs. This gets you immediately into calling the API. Now you build the request. Set method getPost, attach a JSON body using media type or string entity, and add headers like content type. Application/JSON. Once constructed, choose Send Sync for simple scripts or call async with a callback to avoid blocking the main thread. Make sure to set a sensible timeout and handle I/O exception or interrupted exception. Parse the response body with a JSON library like Jackson or JSON and map to a POJO. This simplifies later processing and error checks for status codes. You finish by inspecting the HTTP status code and deserializing the response into your model objects. If you receive 200-299, proceed to use the data. Otherwise, handle 400s as client errors and 500s as transient server issues. Implement a simple retry with exponential backoff for 429 or 5xx responses and break after a couple attempts. If something goes wrong, turn on detailed logging for request, headers, and body while masking API keys. This is the single most helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.